Hi, in this video I'm going to show you Excel shortcuts that you absolutely have to know to be efficient in Excel. Use F2 to enter into a cell to make edits. Use F7 to do a spell check. To open the Format Cells dialog box, press Ctrl and 1. To open Find and Replace with Find selected, press Ctrl F. And to open Find and Replace with Replace selected, press Ctrl H. By the way, please leave a like down below if you're finding this video helpful. To sum up the entire column, press Alt and equal to. Use Ctrl and T to convert your current table into a table format. You can use Shift F11 to insert new sheets. You can use Control Page Down to move down the sheets. You can use Control Page Up to move up the sheets. Use Control Shift L to insert data filters. To select an entire column, press Control and space. To select an entire row, Shift and space. To select all cells from your current cell to the bottommost cell, press Control Shift down. To select all cells from your current cell to the topmost cell, Control Shift up. To select all cells from your current cell to the rightmost cell, Control Shift right. To select all cells from your current cell to the leftmost cell, Control Shift left. Now if you don't use the Shift button and just use Control and the arrow keys, it goes from your current cell to wherever you point it to. So down will go to bottommost cell, right will go to the rightmost cell, top will go to topmost cell, and left will go to the leftmost cell. Select a row and do Control Shift plus to insert a row. Select a column and do Control Shift plus to insert a column. Use Control minus to delete cells. You can also select a column and use Control minus to delete the column. You can also select a row and use Control minus to delete the row. You can use Control Z to undo and you can use Control Y to redo. Use Control S to save. Use Tab to move right. Use Shift Tab to move left. Use your arrow keys to move around your table. Now click here to learn more about data filters or click here. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more shortcuts and more Excel tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.